What's up, JK Nation? So this is a 2010 JK Rubicon 3.8, and some of you probably have experienced the automatic transmission gremlin where it won't start in park and you have to shove the shifter forward to get it to start in park. And sometimes it may start in park, sometimes it may not. You've probably been told it's your shifter cable adjustment, which is down there. You've probably been told it's your position range selector, which it could potentially be. As these Jeeps age, you can see mine has 116,000. As these Jeeps age, there are 4 connection points on the range selector, and there's a metal plate that makes contact with the range selector on those 4 pins. It is completely submerged in transmission fluid, so after a couple 100,000 miles, that stuff gets a little grimy, greasy, maybe a little sloppy. And so the symptoms present as if the range selector is out. However, I've talked to several people, very reputable off-road shops, very reputable transmission shops, and they say those range selectors barely ever go out, ever. And when you have to shove the shifter forward to get it to start, or it'll start in neutral but not in park, and you have to shove it forward to get it to start in park, it acts like an electrical issue. If it's not the range selector, it could be an electrical issue. So I know you shouldn't be on forums because forums are a whole bunch of crap, but once in a while there's a nugget in a forum. And with these older JKs and this transmission no start symptom that acts like a range selector, the cure, sorry for walking around, the cure is attaching a ground wire, a new ground wire. I used a 10 gauge, you can use an 8 gauge, 10 gauge worked fine. Attached it to an alternator mounting point, ran it back against the wall to the negative battery terminal. And guess what? The shit starts every single time. No more shoving the shifter forward. So for my JK people with the older JKs, go grab yourself 4 feet of 8 gauge, 10 gauge ground wire. Get some eyelets, find an alternator mounting point, connect it to your negative terminal. No more shoving the shifter forward, starts every time. Peace out.